This bay needs to be repotted, so I brought in a slightly bigger pot. Okay, so that should still fit in the same tray, so let's take it out and have a look at the roots. You can see the roots are fairly well established, so I'm going to do is basically, so I should have taken a bit more out. Needs a bit more, that should be alright. Put this back around it. This table's a bit wobbly, just firm that around it. This compost was well watered and the plant was well watered as well, but just to remove the air gaps from around the roots, just give it a touch of water just to fill in the air gaps around the roots, and that should get going in there nicely. I've got these rosemary cuttings that I took from a neighbour's plant. Well, actually it's cut them off because it was surplus at the end of the season, so I took a few and I put them in this pot. A couple didn't make it, but some others have, and with rosemary you only really need one. So I'm going to pot these up and see how they're doing. Now they were in a pot with a lot of perlite in, and you can see the fine roots have come out. So I'm just going to gently try and tease these apart. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. These two are close together. Oh dear. These two don't want to come out. Oh, there we go, that's separated. Well, that's come off, but you can see that it's got just that tiny little bit of root on it, but that's enough to get it going. So I've got some more pots here, and that has got some more perlite in it, that compost. So this one's fairly easy, because all I've got to do is make a hole and put this root in, and then add a bit more compost to it. Now this is the compost that's just going on the top, just to hold it in place. It hasn't got perlite in it, but that doesn't matter. They'll sit in here for a few weeks, grow on a little bit, let their roots develop, and then I will take the best of these just another one. Right, that one's settled in. It's really firming the roots, make sure they're going nice and strong. Get rid of that. This one has got quite a strong, good strong one, so I think this might be the one that might end up as being the keeper, but if I get more than I need, I can always give the surplus away to other people. So we want it basically the same level as it was before. Doesn't really matter too much, but you don't want to bury the stem too much. And that's it. 5 little rosemary plants on their way. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water. I mean, this compost is quite moist, but I'm just adding a little bit of water just to wash out the air pockets around the roots, because these haven't really got big roots yet, so just want to get rid of all the air pockets around them. And that's it.